Book of Revelation, chapter 7, verses 16 and 17. Yes, sir. They shall hunger no more, neither shall they thirst anymore. Preach, preacher. For God shall wipe away, yes, sir, every tear from their eye. Yes, sir. Get ready for the revolution. What you say?
All right, I'm here with Reginald Benjamin, Dr. Reginald Benjamin from ABBA Leadership Center in Hempstead. He's been getting brothers jobs and preparing people. And there's a situation that we all need to know about, and I'm going to let him take it right here. Dr. Benjamin.
Good afternoon, Brother Tony O'Kelly. I want to thank you so much for giving this opportunity to share with the community what's going on in the community with the things that affect the communities and its citizenry. Right now in the village of Hempstead, there's a tremendous amount of construction work going on in the village. And the people in the community are being isolated from those jobs. The jobs that belong to the local village residents is being outsourced to people from different areas of the state, as far as away as New Jersey, Buffalo, New Rochelle. These different areas, people are coming into the community and doing the work that I think rightfully belong to the community or the village residents. And so we're standing up and going and talking with the various construction trades that are doing the construction work in the village, insisting that they give the local residents an opportunity to go to work. Let me just be clear. In the village of Hempstead, there's a very real unemployment rate that is anywhere from 35 to 45%. Men and women are desperately in need of jobs, and it's a shame for us to see in this local community so many jobs are going to people that are not a part of the community. So even as they are building these new buildings and housing and facilities like that, we can ill afford to live in them. And so we are saying to the people, if you're doing construction work or any kind of other work in the village of Hempstead, we should have first option to those jobs. And if any of you have been listening with the politicians that have been pontificating about the fact that people in poor communities don't want to work. Well, I think that's a lie, and most of us do not want to be on welfare or social services, but people have to eat. And so since people are saying that we don't want to work, we're going over to the Village Hall on Tuesday, February 7th at 6 o'clock as they are conducting their usual business in terms of what development is coming into the community. We're going over there to let them know that we are concerned about the local residents getting jobs. We do have people that want to work. In fact, we're inviting every member of the community that are concerned about getting jobs and the jobs of the local community being outsourced to be a presence. Let these politicians and various other people know that we do want to work. We have just been frozen out of the opportunity to go to work. As a consequence, in the poor community with the Latins and African Americans, the majority of these men are ending up going to jail because they'd rather do something than to starve. And we believe it's a time for change in this community, and we believe that men should have an opportunity to get some of these jobs that are that are coming into the village. And I want to have him to share a few moments about his ideas for engaging the community in the construction industry.
Hello, my name is Kevin Robinson. I'm the Job Development Specialist with ABBA and the assistant to the Reverend Benjamin, the CEO. What we are doing here at ABBA with this Job Readiness Initiative is we are monitoring guys up to a year. We are putting in place trainings from time management to behaviors to modification. We're working with the construction site as well as the employed and those that are prospective to be employed. I work hands-on with them with numerous workshops. We set up financial advisors to talk to them. We are trying to get men to learn to become men. We work side by side with these guys in all facets of their lives. We're monitoring, we're mentoring, and another big piece that we do is, everyone must be responsible for their responsibility to their families. We're also asking them to give back and mentor some younger children. And this has spread around this village of Hempstead that we are assisting the troubled and the hard to employ, as well as those just looking for employment. So we're on the scene day to day, me and the Reverend, trying to open up doors for these guys. But in regards to this job readiness initiative, we have been placing guys in apprenticeship programs. We're trying to now coordinate with some of the construction sites that we have successfully, at an astounding rate of success of over 80% of our guys have panned out. We have guys trained and still looking for employment. So we will be at 99 Nichols Court on Tuesday at 6 with some more of our prospective employers and this community to let them know that we're looking for change. We're asking for collective bargaining agreements. If you're going to do work here, the community needs help. There is a high rate of unemployment, not just with black men, but also black women. And we're just taking the front on it because we believe in it and we know that there's a need.
We need the community to come together with us on Tuesday night at 99 Nichols Court at 6 o'clock. And we're going to tell these people to their face, we as African American men do want to work. We don't like welfare checks just like the next person. We don't want a handout. We just need a hand up. Will you join us?
We want opportunities. We screen, we monitor, we mentor, and we stay on top of these guys. Not only from the work part, we are also giving them advice on medical coverage, the whole package to building up families and rebuilding this community. We need your assistance. We're asking for you to come out in attendance. Thank you and God bless you.
God shall wipe away, yes sir, every tear from their eye. Yes sir. Get ready for the revolution. What you say?